When a critical incident strikes, every second counts. How do you know your team's safe when a wildfire is closing in? How do you know who's still in the building during an active shooter threat? How do you know your team made it to shelter before a tornado strikes? With CodeRed alerts, you know. One send, SMS, automated call, and push. Alert sent to every worker in the affected zone. Workers receive the alert and check in. And you see who's safe and who still needs help. Let's send a CodeRed alert so you know who's safe in an emergency. Built for moments when the whole organization needs to act, CodeRed alerts can be sent to any user, even those on guest seats. In this video, we'll cover creating and sending a CodeRed alert, how your workers respond to alerts on mobile, and how to track every response. Ready? Let's go. Head to Lone Worker. If you don't see it, check under More. Go to the CodeRed tab. Then create one. Set the affected area. Click the location on the map or search for an address. Then adjust the radius to cover the impacted zone. This is a severe storm system, so I'll adjust our radius to encompass our active distribution routes. Then set the alert type. For life-threatening situations, select Emergency, where workers will be asked to confirm their safety by responding "I'm safe" or "in danger." For non-urgent situations that are still developing, select Notification, so workers can at least be aware of what's happening and respond by tapping Acknowledge. For the severe thunderstorm, we'll select Emergency. Add a title and describe what's happening. Keep it clear. Workers will read this under pressure. Then click Next. Choose who receives the alert. Select inside the location radius to reach everyone in the affected zone, or narrow it to a specific group or site. I'll select our Riverside location. This covers all of our workers. You'll see each worker in the affected area. In this example, 4 users are members of the site we selected. Looks like one of our active long-haul drivers is inside the affected area, so they'll get alerted too. Select additional team members if needed. Click Next to review. Check the alert details, then choose your notification channels: SMS, automated call, and push, or all 3 at once. Then send the alert. Done. Now let's see how your team responds to alerts on mobile. They open it, read the message, and tap "I'm safe" or "need help." Response logged. Let's head back to the web app to track responses. Responses are coming in real time. You can see who's safe, who needs help, and who hasn't responded yet. See the warning icon? That worker has no mobile number on their account. They'll only receive push notifications. Go to the link above to learn more. For anyone still pending, click here and resend across whichever channels you need. Once everyone's accounted for, click Mark Completed. Alert sent, responses tracked, everyone accounted for. Search Lone Worker in the Help Center to see everything it can do to keep your team safe. Head to help.safetyculture.com.